Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another video. So guys, what's happening here is I'm doing last night's dishes, which I was supposed to do last night but I did not. I feel like there are so many anyway. I got to do them. Actually, the reason for these main dishes is because my husband is the one who made dinner for us last night and he was alone in the kitchen. So yes, this is the aftermath. Because for me, I'm normally used to clean as I go, so that by the time I'm done with cooking, I'll have only a handful of dishes to clean. But so I got to deal with this because I was helped last night. Let me say that. And yeah, I actually want to make lunch after I'm done here, because I kind of just want to tidy up a little bit, then leave the house and go buy what I'll cook for lunch. It's actually a craving that I really need to cook, and yeah, I can't wait to finish up here then head out. So guys, let me finish up here then head out really fast and get that lunch going.
Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
So guys, I'm done preparing and I want to leave the house to go buy some stuff from the supermarket. Actually just lunch, because I want to prepare lunch really fast. And this is my shopping bag. Let me show it to you. Like I usually, anytime you see me carry this bag, just know that I'm going to do some grocery shopping, and I prefer it to the other, the other carrier bags. So yeah, this is me leaving the house. This is how I'm heading out. I think I'll see you out there.
they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.
So this is everything that I've come with from the supermarket. Some onions, tomatoes, and dhania, and some tomato paste. I normally buy tomato paste in this small sachet. I don't like buying the bigger one because sometimes it goes bad because of not being used regularly. So that is why I prefer to buy the small sachets. And also I wanted to make some mixed vegetables, and I didn't want to buy like bunch of everything, so I decided to just go for the one that has already been mixed up. So what I'll do is just to stir fry them, and that will be our vegetable for today or for now. So let me get into preparing the ingredients and then cook.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a happier. Every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to see.
So I've already prepared the ingredients, everything is ready, so the only thing remaining is to put them in the pot. Actually spaghetti is already boiling, so I just want it to finish boiling so that I can begin cooking. So this is everything that I'm going to use. This is minced meat, mixed veggies, garlic and ginger. This is blended tomato, onion, dhania, and some dhania stems. So that is everything that I'm going to use plus tomato paste.
'Cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so let's think. to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you.